Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're gonna play I Die For You from the band Bon Jovi. Richie Sambora, Show Real. Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we're gonna learn this solo note per note. And before we start taking action, we're tuning on E standard. So tune to that note. So let's go. The first part of this solo, it's on A minor, and it starts like this. Very melodic, and let's see it one more time. We are still in A minor. And then here's my favorite part of this solo. And that he does this sliding chicken picking thing, where he goes from 8 on the second string to the 10 fret, and then with this finger, he plays 8 on the first string. So the licks goes as follow. I'm gonna play it for you very slow. He finishes with a vibrato, with a whammy bar. So to recap, this is what we have so far. Now to continue, we do this pentatonic lick. One more time, very slow. And he finishes with a pinch squeal. And then he does the same lick, one octave higher, here in 17. And then he starts this pentatonic lick. Okay, so let's do the. And then one of the, it's very exciting what he does here in the end. Let's break that one down. He does a bend here in 20. And then the end, where he does. And that's the whole solo. Now, let's play it complete, very slow for you guys. And that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and let me know which guitar player, solo, or would you like to see on Shredding with Gheeyeh on the next episode. Show reel!